Hello, it's Paul. I want to answer a quick question today. Uh, in fact, it's not even a question, it's a statement that I see a lot, and I'm seeing it a lot and more now. And this is what I want the Zoho One experience to really help with. And I can see that this is going to be one of the biggest questions that I'm going to have to deal with, statements that I'm going to have to deal with. And I don't feel like I'm using Zoho One or Zoho CRM to its full potential. And I get that a lot. I get it. Oh, how can I use it better? And it's like to somebody to just say that to somebody else is so hard. And I was thinking it's exactly the same as what I think about my golf clubs. Like I look at all my golf clubs and go, oh, look, I could use that one better. Or why do I use that one all the time and I don't use that one? Or this one, I reckon Tiger Woods could use this golf club better than me, right? And it could and it can, but without a golf pro looking at my game and saying, right, this is what you could do better. This is what you're doing really well. This is what you could do better. These are ideas that you could do better. Where's your errors? What do you think? Which club do you think you're failing on? It's impossible to answer the question. It's impossible for me to go, this is what you're probably missing out on. Now, as I answer this more and more, there's probably going to be 12, there's going to be a 10 things that you're probably not using Zoho CRM for, or 10 things you didn't know about Zoho One. And I'll build stuff like that. But the Zoho One experience, and if you've just watched the video why you can't hire me, so you can't do the Golf Pro thing where I sit and watch you, but you can in the Zoho One experience just jump into the forum and type in. Maybe I'll do a category for I'm not using Zoho to its full potential, something like that, abbreviated, and you're going to be able to type in. I feel like I'm not using Zoho fully, Zoho CRM fully. What do you use it for? And I'm hoping the forum comes in and the other users, and there's going to be hundreds of you eventually, come and say, this is what I really like, or this is what I really like, or do you use that feature? Do you use that feature? And I want you to get together and talk. And I'll say, obviously, I'll drop in on stuff, but it's like you're having coffee with another Zoho user, and they say, do you use that feature? Because I think it's really cool. And then you go, no, I haven't looked into it. And then you say, oh, well, what we use is this. And they go, oh, I haven't heard of that one. It's too much information and it's overwhelmed. And I don't want you to get stuck. And I don't want you to think everybody's got it correct or there's a perfect way of doing it. Same in golf. I relate everything to golf. There's plenty of different golf swings out there and people are still getting great results. And there's plenty of wrong ways to do it, and there's plenty of ways to get around stuff, and each golfer's different, each business is different. There's lots of things you need to do, there's lots of things you don't need to do, and you really got to filter your things to say, these are the things that really work for our business, right? So I've seen it a lot, and I've been thinking about it a lot, and I'm trying, and I just thought, yeah, it's exactly how I look at my golf clubs. I don't ever think about that, I just think about my next shot, but I think like that's what I can equate it to. I think these golf clubs, I could do a lot more with these golf clubs, and I'm right, aren't I? But so don't get stuck. The Zoho One experience is here for you. Dive in, find a place. Write it anywhere. I'll move the comment or the topic to its own post, or reply to a comment, or do anything you want. You can't do anything wrong. Write in there what the issues are. Ask questions. Myself, Carol, the community manager, and the rest of the community, we're going to jump in and help. And that's what it's for. This is why the Zoho One experience is going to be better for us all, because we want you to have a great experience. That's the whole point of it. We want you to really enjoy using it. We want it to speed your business up every day. We want it to save you time, make you money every day. But everybody's different, and everybody's got their own needs out of that. So jump in, ask questions. We'll get you sorted, right? Don't get overwhelmed. That's like calm down. I can't calm down. All right, jump in, ask questions. We'll sort it, right?